this is my scent. So I'm just going to start with bath bottles because I have the most. We'll start with full-sized bottles. So this is my strawberry lemonade hand lotion, and it smells the best. It smells exactly like strawberry lemonade, and that's all I have left of it. It's on the back because I kind of just dropped it. But what I always do, shake it up. It looks full, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay, so I really like that scent, and I don't even know if they make it because this is like their old packaging compared to their new packaging. Okay, so this one is Sweet Pea Forever, and I honestly just got it because of the package, and I have regular Sweet Pea. I don't know if there's a difference. There definitely is. This one smells more sweet pea-like, and this one has like that flowery sweet. I have it in the hand lotion, the body splash, and the shower gel, and as you can tell, I barely use the shower gel, barely use any other perfume, and I use this about 3 times. And I didn't even take this. This is just, I don't like this scent. Sorry for those who like it. I'm personally not a fan of it. Okay, next I have 2 from a winter collection. It came in a pack of 3, but I think I gave the other one to my sister. So this is Vanilla Bean Noel. Look how cute the packaging is. So this is a mini one. As you can see, it says Bath Body Works Holiday Traditions. This smells so good. And it's in like their old packaging before they started doing the little pop top ones. It's like screwed off, screwed on. So I have this one. Ooh. And this winter candy apple. This one smells so good. It's nothing like the warm vanilla sugar. Like, they have 2 totally different scents, but I really like this. Okay, so now, going from the warm vanilla sugar, I love the body splash. It smells so good. As you can tell, I have, like, used a lot of this. And shower gel, a lot of this. Okay, and then going off of the winter candy apple, which I haven't smelled this one yet. It's like a very distinct appley smell, but sweet. I have a apple body splash, and this is country apple. This one has that tang. Like, it smells like apples, but it's like that tangy apple thing. So that's my only full-size body splash. But I mean, it lasts a pretty long time. I've had this for a while. I've had a lot of these for a while. Well, except for these ones. These ones are my newest ones. Okay, so these ones I got last year for Christmas, and I used, let's say, kind of a lot of them. I don't like to use them because I don't want them to run out. But I mean, they still have this. Well, they had it because it's winter. But this is Secret Wonderland. Oh my gosh. It has, like, this vanilla-y scent. Like, it's hard to explain. It's really hard to explain. But it has, like, a vanilla-y, like, scent. It smells good, though. Don't get me wrong. I would buy this one. I also have it in the shower gel and the body splash. This was, like, something I'd wear a lot to church. It's that perfect church scent. Now for hand sanitizers, I have Nectarine Mint. It smells like nectarine, I'm not really sure. I don't think it really smells like mint. Cute little perfume. These little beads, I think they're so cool. This little ring. Okay, and then my Midnight Pomegranate, which has seen better days. Can you see all the scratches on it? Not really picking them up. There's so many scratches in the paint. this one is my all-time favorite. I want the body butter in this. I honestly want the body butter in this. My friend has it, and okay, so now we've moved on to things that are not from Bath and Body Works. So this one is my most hated one. I hate it even more than the Sweet Pig. This one is by some company named Dot, and it's called Provence Lavender Body Cream. It smells disgusting. I got it from my grandma. She was like cleaning out her thing, like her, I don't know what you call it. That's the thing that sits on top of the toilet, and she just keeps a whole bunch of like weird things in it, and this was in it. This smells like old people. It reminds me of her. I think it's because it's like really old. I don't think it used to smell like this. Okay, so this has been one of my all-time favorites. This has been in my purse for a while. So this is by Bodycology, and it's in Sweet Petals Body Cream. I also have it in the shower gel and bubble bath, but my mom used all of it because she liked the scent too. Okay, so this is body cream, and it comes out in this awesome consistency. Which, can you kind of see that? It's a really thick consistency, and it's not as, like, I would classify this as, like, liquidy compared to this. So I really like this. Okay, so next I have a perfume. So this is my perfume that I got for my birthday, and it's, supposed to be, like, the DKNY Be Delicious, or Golden Delicious. It smells a lot like apples. I just got it for my birthday, so I haven't like worn a lot of it. And it's in a cute container. Okay, so this one's supposed to be like Katy Perry's Purr perfume, and this smells so good. It has like, I think it's honestly relatable to the Secret Wonderland. This one has that perfume scent. Like, if you understand what I'm going for, that perfume scent, like distinct perfume scent. Now this one is my newest that I just got today because my friend got it for me for my birthday, but she kept forgetting it. So this is by Victoria's Secret. It is called Be My Wish. Victoria's Secret, Be My Wish, and can you see the shimmers? It is such a pretty box. It is velvet, plum, and white raspberry shimmer lotion. See the sparkles. Oh my gosh, it's so awesome. If I were taking gym, I would definitely put this on my legs for gym. But I'm not allowed to gym, so yeah. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry it was kind of long. I'm going to try to cut it back, but bye.